Miley Cyrus! Smile!
Red Cross of the Philippines, kabalingan sa pagsagip ng buhay. Pakinggan ang orkestra!
Kita na ang ating lahat po mga volunteers, mga club members sa mga schools, Davao Central High School na club, Red Cross Club, na ako ng Daniel R. Okay, mga Red Cross young members, mag-ingay!
Cross is recognized as the voluntary, independent, and autonomous non-governmental society auxiliary to the authorities of the Republic of the Philippines in the humanitarian field. Indeed, Philippine Red Cross has truly become the premier humanitarian organization in the country, committed to provide quality life-saving services that protect the life and dignity, especially of the indigent Filipino and vulnerable situation.
Thank you, Red Cross. And